In this video, I'm going to show you how to add to path in your environment variables in Windows 11. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to the search bar in the middle of the screen at the bottom and type in Control Panel. Once you see Control Panel, go ahead and click that. In Control Panel, click System and Security, and then on this next page, click System. So here is all our system information. Here in the middle, under Related Links, click Advanced System Settings. So now that we're in System Properties, go down to the bottom and click Environment Variables. Here you have variables for your login, and then here are variables that will affect the whole system for anyone that logs in. I just want to make changes for me, so I'm going to work up here and I'm going to click Path because I'm adding to my path and I'm going to click Edit instead of New. If I click New, it's going to ask for a new system variable, and that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking to edit my path. So make sure Path is selected and hit Edit. Here you can see all the environment variables you have set to path, and let's go ahead and hit New. Here I've added some app directory that's within my users directory in my C drive. I want to add the some app directory so that anything I use from this directory will go ahead and execute in command prompt. So now that I've done that, I'm going to click OK, and then click OK, and then click OK. And then now that that's done, I can go ahead and use it. Now, if you have your command prompt already open and you want to use it right away, you do have to restart your command prompt for that to go into effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I always like to make my tutorials as quick as possible. Thank you so much for watching.